By emitting a constant, monotonous hum, white noise machines have long helped to enhance relaxation, foster restful sleep, and improve focus. If you're having trouble drifting off, are parent to a fussy baby, or are simply looking for a bit more focus as you work, we tested out and reviewed several sound machines that help both noisy rooms and brains alike. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen with clock. This is the best smart device, offering voice-controlled sound options and smart home integration. While the Echo Dot is a virtual assistant, it is capable of playing white noise and other sleep sounds, too. Use the device to control your smart lights, stream music, read news headlines, and provide real-time weather forecasts. As a sound machine, simply request the type of noise you want to hear, and the Echo Dot will play it. This includes ocean sounds, white noise, rain sounds, and more. That said, without dedicated functionality, some of the sounds may loop or abruptly stop after the track ends. Alongside its smart functions, this version of the Echo Dot also works as an alarm clock. With a digital display on the front of the speaker, you can set alarms, check the time, and even snooze a few times, all from the same device you order new rolls of toilet paper from. At number 4, we have the Marpac Yogasleep Dohm white noise machine. This model is the best manual option, providing a simple yet effective way to create a calming sleep environment. Instead of pumping in your sleep sounds through a speaker, make them yourself. This device creates its noise through an internal fan, generating natural sound instead of replicating it. Director of Product Content Will Egensteiner keeps the Dohm in his son's room for naps and bedtime, saying, "I like it primarily because it's manual, with a fan inside that moves the air to create a pleasant whoosh, unlike the tinny static of YouTube clips of white noise I've resorted to. But it's also blessedly easy to use, which I appreciate as I'm trying to juggle a sleepy toddler without spending time futzing with an app or too many buttons," he continues. The single switch flips up and down to activate the low and high speed settings, respectively, for softer or louder noise. And the housing and cap rotate to close or open vents, producing a gentler or more forceful hum as they keep air contained or let it out. This means that, when we're done with story time, all I have to do is press the switch to turn the Dohm on, and we're back to the bedtime routine. Coming in at number 3, it's the Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock and Sound Machine. This is the best splurge, offering premium features like sunrise alarms and customizable sleep routines. Hatch has evolved its product from just a sound machine into the ultimate nightstand companion. Consolidate your lamp, alarm clock, and sleep device into one machine with this Restore 2. With the press of a button, the sound machine begins a 3-part cycle to help you fall asleep, sleep deeply, and wake up gently. It begins by playing noises, music, meditations, or even bedtime stories as you go through your nighttime routine and get into bed. It then transitions into traditional white noise or nature sounds as you sleep. Hatch has several inbuilt sounds that play in a constant stream with no interruption. I also love that it wakes me up slowly with light and a gentle song that increases in volume. The alarm clock function wakes you up with a specific sound meant to mimic birdsong and chimes. In the second spot, we have the Dreamegg Portable Sound Machine. This is the best value, combining affordability with high-quality sound options for a restful night's sleep. The Dreamegg Portable Sound Machine offers great value with its lullaby music and sounds tailored for babies and kids. It features soothing tunes like Cradle Song and Rockabye Baby, as well as sounds like vacuuming, shushing, and fetal noises that mimic what babies hear in the womb. A standout feature is the small locking switch on the back, which prevents kids from changing settings, making it ideal for overnight use. Its portability is enhanced by a rope and hook, allowing it to be easily hung on strollers, in bedrooms, or on door handles. This compact design ensures you can enjoy calming sounds anywhere in the room. And finally, at number 1, we have the LectroFan Evo Sound Machine. This model is the best overall, providing a wide range of sound options and superior performance to help you drift off to sleep effortlessly. Forget the fancy bells and whistles. This sound machine from LectroFan provides everything you need at an affordable price. Combine its quality and cost, and there are very few options that compete. This sound machine has just 6 buttons, But on those 6 buttons are everything you need to control every aspect of the device. Don't let the simple design fool you. This sound machine has over 20 sounds to choose from and a timer feature that lasts for up to 8 hours. Even though the traditional power adapter keeps it from being the most portable pick as well, I was impressed with how small it was. It fit comfortably on a crowded nightstand and would easily fit in a backpack or carry-on luggage. While the lack of buttons streamlines the device, it also hinders the timer feature. I had to press through the button and count out the hours in my head. The only indicator is a small beep once you reach 8 hours. We hope you found the perfect sound machine to help you relax and drift off to dreamland. Don't forget to subscribe for more slumber tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching. Sweet dreams. And enjoy many nights of uninterrupted sleep thanks to your new white noise maker. See you next time as we discover more hacks for improving your home's comfort.